Are you looking for a beautiful home nestled in the Sierra Nevada mountains? 4880 Canyon Drive, Reno could be the home you've been searching for. This 2,744 square foot house is centrally located on a .91 acre corner parcel.
If you're a craftsman, an automotive enthusiast, a collector, or a hobbyist, and the 4-car attached garage just isn't quite big enough to satisfy your workspace and storage needs, then this property has you covered, because out back is a massive 4,500 square foot shop. It has a 300 amp electrical service, 4 bays that are 2 cars deep with lift-up panel doors. The main wing of the shop has 2 large roll-up doors, one in the front, one in the back, and enough access to back in a 45-foot RV. This shop also includes an alarm, propane heat, a swamp cooler, pneumatic air lines, large and small mezzanines, fluorescent lighting. It's partially insulated. It has a lot of pegboards. It has a composition roof, skylights, and an exhaust vent fan. From the casual to the professional, this workshop has everything you need to facilitate your creative endeavors. This house has a rich history, as it was built in the 1930s by Pappy Smith, the owner of the Reno casino, the Herald's Club. The back bedrooms were then added on in the 1950s.
It features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an office, 1 laundry room, 1 kitchen, 1 dining room, a living room, and a basement. Attached to the home is a 4-car garage. It is equipped with wood-looking steel siding that never needs to be repainted. A durable 30-year rated composition roof was installed 3 years ago. It has double pane windows, central cooling, and baseboard radiant heat, as well as a home security alarm. The property is fully fenced in with both front and rear street access. The property falls under county and not city jurisdiction. There is no homeowners association, and it is zoned for horses.
The house is approximately 10 minutes from downtown Reno and 30 minutes from scenic Lake Tahoe. Now let's take a stroll inside and have a peek at the interior.
The kitchen comes with tile counters and a backsplash, oak cabinets with large pull-out shelves, a Panasonic 1200-watt microwave, a GE self-cleaning oven, an island with a Thermador vented electric cooktop, a GE refrigerator, and a breakfast bar. Located next to the kitchen is the laundry room. In the laundry room is a bathroom with a tile shower, laminate floors, and an oak vanity. In the laundry room itself, you will find an Electrix washer and dryer, a Frigidaire upright freezer, a dual basin deep sink, a closet ironing board, a large pantry, and lots of storage. Both the dining room and living room have laminate plank flooring and wood blinds. The living room has a rock wall with a brick fireplace and an optional electric fireplace. It comes with a built-in bookshelf and a glass door curio cabinet. This hallway bathroom has a makeup vanity and is tiled from floor to ceiling, including the shower. The basement is fully finished with knotted pine paneling on the walls and ceiling, carpet floors, and a brick fireplace. Also in the basement is the furnace room with an oil-fired boiler. The large master bedroom has carpet, wood blinds, a large cedar-lined walk-in closet, plus 2 other closets. Attached is a dressing room with a countertop and storage, located next to the master bathroom. The large master bath has a shower, a tub, 2 sinks, a makeup vanity, and vinyl blinds. Bedrooms 1 and 2 each have carpet, woven blinds, and a large walk-in closet. The office has built-in shelving, carpet, and wood blinds. If this is the home for you and you'd like to take a tour, make an offer, or have any further questions about the house, feel free to contact the owner, CJ Yonke, at 1775-742-1339.